I spend hours looking for Shein promo codes that are actually worth using, and today's video I'm going to show you the best coupon codes for Shein that I actually managed to find. So I'm going to be showing you in this tutorial how to go ahead and get your very own. So let's go ahead and get into it. So, if you're fed up with looking for Shein promo codes and not finding any worth using, I know the feeling, guys, so let me show you how you can get the best Shein coupon codes in 2024. These are going to save you at least $100 off your next order, and it's super easy, guys. You need to use your mobile phone and open up a internet browser, and you've got to go to this website, guys. So type it exactly how I'm going to type it here at www.topdogcodes.com. So type it like this, guys, Top Dog Codes. And you're looking for this website here. I discovered this website a few months ago, and they've saved me so much money, even in that short period of time. They have coupon codes for pretty much every website you can think of. They also have game codes and more. So press the search bar here and just type in what you're looking for. In this case, we're looking for the Shein gift cards and coupons page. Scroll down. Now there is a few different codes to choose from, guys, but there are a couple of promo codes you can see at the top. There's a $100 Shein promo code, and there is a 50% off your entire order code. So you have to calculate which one is going to save you the most money. And once you've done that, click on Show Coupon on your code of choice. This case is a $100 Shein promo code. And you can see you need to unlock your promo code, guys. This is completely normal. People create robots and programs to steal all of these codes. So this prevents that. Of course, they're worth quite a bit of money. So this limits one code per person. Now you need to unlock your personal and exclusive Shein promo code. So tap Unlock Code. Now these codes are limited. I'm not going to run through the entire process, but basically, guys, once you see a new screen, it's going to tell you how to unlock your code. You need to verify yourself as a real person, as I mentioned. And once you've done that, your code will be fully revealed. These stars will turn into characters and numbers, and you can copy your code and enter it into the Shein basket or at checkout. And it's going to remove the corresponding balance off your next order. Super easy, guys. Head over to topdogcodes.com, follow the instructions in this video, and this is going to save you a ton of money, guys. Drop a comment below, let me know what you order from Shein, and if you need any help, of course, leave a comment and I can help you out. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Enjoy. Peace out.